In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend your Klarna payment due date. If you need a little extra time to make a payment, Klarna offers a simple way to push your due date back on eligible plans. This option is typically available once per order for pay in 30 days and pay in 4 plans, and it isn't available for pay over time financing accounts. With that in mind, let's walk through exactly how to do it and what to expect along the way. Start by logging into the Klarna app or the Klarna website. Use the official App Store version or Klarna's website to keep your account secure and make sure your app is up to date so the menus you see match what I'm describing. Sign in using your usual credentials, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that prompt. It helps to have a stable internet connection and any relevant order details in mind, such as the purchase amount or the current due date, so you can quickly find the right order. Once you're in, head to the payments section. This is where all your active purchases and schedules live. Scan the list and select the specific order you want to extend. If you have several orders, take a moment to verify you're opening the correct one by checking the merchant, the amount, and the current due date. Inside the order view, you'll see the payment timeline and any upcoming installments. This is the place where Klarna displays options related to your schedule, including the extension feature when it's available for that plan. Now tap Extend Due Date. Klarna will show you the new due date and any important details about how your schedule is affected. Read the on-screen message so you understand exactly when the next payment will be due and how the change appears in your plan. Because this option is usually offered once per order on eligible plans, use it thoughtfully. If you don't see the extension option, it likely means the order or plan type isn't eligible, or the one-time extension for that order has already been used. That's all there is to it. Log in, open payments, and select the order, then tap Extend Due Date. After extending, keep an eye on your notifications and email for confirmation, and consider setting a reminder for your new due date. This quick adjustment can give you a bit more breathing room while keeping your payments organized and on track.